Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome to the NBA app on Apple Vision Pro. So we're going to get into this new feature that they release. It's only for live games. So it's called Tabletop. So let's get into it. So this is Tabletop. So when you get into the NBA app, you click on the little icon and it shows you the actual live game that's being broadcast on TV. Yes, it's maybe probably a 2-second delay from the live stream, but this is basically Tabletop. You can see the players, you can see the refs with the ball, and then it's going to show whoever has the ball. It's going to show their name over their head. It's going to have timeouts. So let's pick it up and bring it up to the top so you're able to see it really good. So you see this person right here right now has the ball. He shoots the ball, actually gets the point. The ground lights up. So it's like, it's so realistic. Right now I'm screen recording, so it's not letting me show you the actual live game on the screen in the back, but just imagine you watching the game on the big screen, then you're watching this tabletop view at the same time. So as you can see right here, they have another option called World View. Let's see what this is on Apple Vision Pro. So as you can see, this is the San Antonio and OKC game from a while back. It's actually in the timeout section right now, but as you can see, you immerse in the Apple Vision Pro, can watch the live game right here in San Antonio, Texas, or some part of Texas. So we're going to get into the other options that they got. We're going to actually go to Venice Beach. This is Venice Beach right here. You can sit on the sidelines and actually watch it. You see the birds. All right, the next option we're going to get into is Toronto, Canada. It's given Jurassic Park, but I didn't like this one. So we're going to go to Chicago, Chi-Town. You can actually watch the game on top of a roof. You can actually see the helicopter flying around. You see all the buildings. And then the next option that they have that we're going to go to is actually NBA Arena, which is pretty cool. They have all the jerseys, they have the players, the audience. See the ref running across the screen, which is amazing. Like, this is really dope. So we're going to get back into the tabletop view where you're able to see that game again in a different arena. But yeah, this is pretty cool. So it's going to transition into another angle. And on this angle right here, like I said, I'm going to get a little bit up close and personal with it so you're able to see how detailed it actually is. So you got a scoreboard in the back. You see the players with the ball. And like I said, if you was actually watching the game, you'll be able to hear the commentary of all the media people talking in the background and everything like that. So I really think this feature is very cool, especially if it starts getting to like baseball, football, F1, stuff like that, where you're able to see, the track, or you're able to see the football field and stuff. So I'm actually going to go around, show you the back of it. So that's the back. Then you're going to actually see this player right here fall on the ground. Then you're going to see him throw the ball across the arena, which is crazy. So it's going to go into halftime, and it's going to do its little special effects. This is like in the finals, but I think this would be really cool. Like I said, if they get into F1 and other things, but that's the feature in the app. See y'all in the next video.